Are you looking expert for install your Jasmine SMS Gateway server with integrate SMPP API? Yes, you are the right place. We specialize in providing expert assistance to ensure your SMS gateway operates without any issue. I will provide initial setup to troubleshooting and optimization on your Linux server, any cloud VPS like AWS, DigitalOcean, Azure Cloud, Google Cloud, as well as your local Linux server with your domain or subdomain. Here's what we offer: comprehensive installation and configuration support. Install SMPP API and smooth operation troubleshooting connectivity or performance issues. Optimizing RabbitMQ, Redis, and PostgreSQL for seamless operations. Security and scalability enhancements for high-volume messaging. No matter the challenge, we're here to provide fast and effective solutions to keep your gateway running and smoothly. Don't let technical issues slow you down. Reach out to us today with Telegram or email and get you experienced professional Jasmine SMS Gateway server support and SMPP API integration you can count on.